Octobomb.
It's got like 8 hoses hanging out of it.
It's the Octobomb.
Oh my god.
We have one of those we take out on the boat.
What are you gonna fall? No, yeah.
He gets wasted.
Wait till he tips his head back.
He chugs one of these every 30 minutes.
Yeah, what's he drinking?
He's drinking all the time. They don't go in the game.
All I heard was fucking field goal.
Kick a bunch of fucking field goals. It's just so
Got him later. He's
no! Boo!
I'd be better off drinking Iron City beer. Better off
Start with Miller Lite. They right next to
Iron City's like the natural life. Didn't that get sold? No, they moved it to the old Reliant Stadium. That's fucked up. That's not. 2 blocks from my house now. It's out Latrobe.
I thought you were from Alvin.
What's wrong with you?